Hi all, this is Chirag Thakkar from Smartways. Today we're going to discuss on stress reduction, especially at the workplace. Let's begin with the strategy straight away. So if I'm about to leave my work and it's 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. in the evening, before leaving, I will ensure that I write down stuff that I have to do tomorrow. I will write down in my hard diary and not on my cell phone. Hard diaries really work in time management. If you don't maintain one, start maintaining one. It works beautifully. How do you note down these things? Note down all the tasks that are to be done. Then sit again and ponder on which are the tasks that you feel were supposed to be done but can be deleted from my to-do list because they are not very important. It's just that I was trying to be too perfect in my task. It's okay, delete those tasks. You will find at least one task out of 15-20 tasks that you have to do tomorrow. If you find one, great, delete it. If you don't, it's okay. Next step, if you're fortunate to have a team under you, start figuring out what all work you can afford to delegate to your team members, because that is extremely important. Most of us are micromanagers. We want to ensure that every task is looked after by us, and that is the reason you delegate less work. Understand, if you are at a higher level, your mind should be free for a lot of strategic decisions and not operational work. So try delegating as much work as possible. This ensures that once you go home and your list is made, you're pretty free. Your mind is not cluttered now. Now you exactly know what is supposed to be done. Also ensure you, before leaving, you write down the priority numbers of tasks that you want to do tomorrow. Now, once you enter the office the next day, ensure that you stick to your priority numbers. We have discussed enough on priority. Stick to those priority numbers and work in that order only. To summarize all these things, let me reiterate. Point number one, before leaving the office, note down all the to-do things in your hard diary, right? Note it down. Avoid a cell phone, work in a solid diary. Once you've written down stuff, give them priority numbers and think about it very clearly, and only then give priority numbers. Post that, delete things that you can afford to delete, and post that, delegate to your team members if you're fortunate to have a team. If you don't have a team, it's okay, you have to do it. Next day when you go back to work, stick to the order of the priority you had given yesterday. Obviously, there will be certain contingencies, certain emergencies, certain urgent work that will come your way. You might have to do that midway, but otherwise try and stick to your priorities. Remember always, stress at work stems from incomplete work. And what do you mean by incomplete work? I have a lot of things in my to-do list and I have not completed all of them. If you have fewer things on your to-do list, if you can afford to eliminate, if you can afford to delegate, it works beautifully. But for that, lot of time is supposed to be given to planning. Plan well, it will work for you. Try it out, it's beautiful. If you feel that you have learned a lot from this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to talk on specific points, please mention those points in the comment section below. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get regular notifications on our videos. Thank you.